In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides transition automatically, creating a seamless and smooth presentation experience. To achieve this effect, we'll dive into setting up automatic advancing for your slides and explore how to configure transition effects and durations. Let's get started by opening the Google Slides presentation you want to modify. Once your presentation is open, the first step is selecting the specific slide where you'd like to add or modify a transition. Now let's access the transition settings. You can easily do this by navigating to the top menu, clicking on Slide and selecting Transition. Alternatively, right-click on the slide and choose Transition from the drop-down menu. This will open up the transition pane on the right side of your screen, where you can customize the transitions to suit your presentation style. In the transition pane, you'll see several transition effects to choose from, such as fade, dissolve, or flip. Choose the effect that best matches the tone and style of your presentation. Once you've selected a transition effect, you'll want to set the duration. You can do this by adjusting the slider or typing in a specific duration in the input field provided. This setting determines the speed at which the slide will transition, so feel free to experiment with different durations to find the one that feels just right for your audience. If you want the same transition effect to apply to all the slides in your presentation, you can conveniently click the Apply to All Slides button located in the transition pane. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining a consistent look and feel across your entire presentation. With your transitions now set, it's time to enable the autoplay feature. To do this, enter slideshow mode by clicking the slideshow button located in the top right corner of the screen. Once in slideshow mode, look for the three-dot More menu and select Autoplay from the list of options. Here, you'll be able to choose the desired time interval for automatic slide advancement. This interval determines how long each slide will be displayed before moving on to the next one, so consider the amount of content you have on each slide and how long you want your audience to focus on it. Finally, once you've set your preferred time interval, simply click Play to start the auto-playing slideshow. By following these straightforward steps, your Google Slides presentation will smoothly and automatically advance from one slide to the next, ensuring each part of your presentation is seen by your audience with perfect timing. Enjoy the effortless flow and let your carefully crafted content shine through.